Hello, this is Tom Dowler for Westbury and SMI Lite Edition. In this video we're going to be checking the integrity of the universes within SMI Lite Edition. And the reason we do that is to make sure that the connection is working exactly as it should, so that before you get into the business of creating reports, we can be 100% sure that the connection to your Service Manager database is working as it should. So we know that any data that the reports pull through are absolutely accurate and we're getting all the right information through. Okay, last time we set up the connection to the Service Manager database in the Universe Connection Manager, and we actually assigned that connection to the two universes that SMI Lite Edition uses. And this time we're going to check those universes. The first thing we want to do is just go into this Options tab. I'm going to leave this Check Universe Structure option checked and leave Check Objects, Check Joins and Check Conditions unchecked for the time being. And if we go back to that Universes tab, if we first select the SMI Incident Management universe and click on Check Universe, this is going to run an integrity check. And that's thrown up 10 divergences, as it calls them. And the thing to look out for here is that these all say is not linked to anything. So these are all fields that are not linked to anything. And actually that's fine, that's not a problem, because those are there as a result of the fact that we use aliases. So those actually don't represent a problem at all. If you had a different string of text there, so if you said root cause M is not present, or any other form of text there, any other sort of error, then that would be something to worry about. And if you do have any of those, then get in contact with our support department and we'll be happy to help you resolve some of those. But those are all fine, they're all just say is not linked to anything, and that's the aliases at work. So I'm going to click OK. Then I can highlight the other universe, the SMI Service Desk universe, and I can do the same thing. Check the universes, and it's going to return 11 divergences, and again, if I just scan down that list, they all say it's not linked to anything, so that's fine. We can click OK. Now I want to go back into the Options tab. I want to uncheck that first option and check the other three instead, so we're checking the objects, the joins, and the conditions. And if I go back to the Universes tab again, and again I'm going to highlight first the SMI Incident Management universe, and I'm going to click on Check Universe. And it's going to run through parsing out all the objects in the universe, and actually here we want there to be no errors or no flags at all. So it's just going to check through those. It might take a moment or two just to do those. The objects are fine, the joins we see there are fine, and the conditions. The conditions are fine as well, so that's all good. We can click OK. I'm just going to do the exact same thing for the SMI Service Desk universe. I'm going to highlight that, click Check Universe. And again, the objects are fine, the joins are fine. It's just going to check through those conditions, and they're fine too. So we're all set. Everything seems to be working properly, so I'm going to click OK. And that's it. So we know the integrity of the universes are fine, and what we can actually do in the next video is open up one of our startup reports and start pulling through some data from Service Manager, and that's another final check to make sure that everything is working properly before we start creating reports. See you next time.